Okay, repurposing content sucks. Trust me, I know I have to do it multiple times a week. And I know your boss is also breathing down your neck, asking you to repurpose that webinar or video podcast from 3 months earlier. And it's for good reasons, right? Because using snippets from long-form videos will help you maximize the content reach with content you already have. But just the mere fact you have to go through the entire video, get the best pieces out, adding subtitles, yada yada yada, it just takes forever. But don't worry, because the reason I'm making this video is because I want to share a tool that does exactly this, but automatically. It's a tool that we created at VEED called Clips. It's extremely easy to use, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how it works. To get started, head over to veed.io in your browser or click on the first link in the description. And when you're on your dashboard on your account, you will see multiple options to get started. In this case, there's an option that we want to use, create clips. So now we're in the tool and we're prompted to share a link or upload the video we want to create clips from. So in this case, I'm gonna click on upload video. I'm gonna select it, and then it will be automatically uploaded. Now, even though it's automatic, you still have some creative control before you even create the clips. For instance, you can select the language spoken in this video. You can choose the size of the video. For instance, if you want to do portrait mode for, let's say, TikToks or YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels, or landscape if you just want to have horizontal videos for YouTube or other platforms. Now, what I think is really amazing as well is that it automatically adds subtitles to your clips. You don't have to do anything for it, but on beforehand, you can select the style of your subtitles. So as you can see, there are multiple styles you can choose from, and in the preview you can kind of get a notion of what that looks like. So just select the subtitle style you like. Next up, we have video goals. So basically this will determine how the video will be edited. Do you want to make it a viral short, or just cover highlights, or maybe share insights through these shorts? And then you can even determine the max clip length, which is basically the time length of the videos. In this case, I keep it on auto because I think that's just a bit more suitable, because I just let the tool decide how long the clip will be. And then when you're set, all you need to do is click on continue. And now the tool will automatically create clips from your long form videos. And then after a moment, the tool automatically created clips from my long form video. And as you can see, they all have a title and a transcript, and you can watch the video back on the left.
So you want to highlight that in the past collaborations here, you've caused a big boom in the businesses that you've worked with. So what you're going to do is you want to include figures, you want to include endorsements.
And it's great because you can just go down and watch all the videos and see whichever you like and you want to use. There's also a very helpful scorecard. Basically, the system objectively rates the flow and the hook and the potential interest in this video, and also engagement. So this could help making a decision if you want to use certain clips. And after making a selection, that's it really. Now you can just download the videos that you like. They have subtitles, they're fully edited, they're fully ready to upload on your social. But in case you want to do some tweaking, like adding some music or some text or some other elements, you can also consider clicking on the edit button. And from there, you'll be redirected to VEED's editor, in which you can further customize the video. For example, you can easily make your subtitles on brand by uploading your custom font or by using the color palette of your company.
So you want to highlight that in the past collaborations here, you've caused a big boom in.
Or you can just simply add some music by heading over to audio, and if you head over to stock music, you will see a full library of music you can use for your clips. There's also a range of elements you can choose from to add to your videos, for instance, an audio wave. You can be very creative with them. Of course, you can also add some text elements if you like, if you want to add some more context to the videos. And once you're done with your clip, all you need to do is head over to done in the right top corner, and then you can export your video. So yeah, that's the Clips tool. Again, super easy to use, as you saw, and it really saves you a lot of time. It makes your life a lot easier, and obviously it makes your boss happy too, which is great. You can try it out for free through the link below. Please let us know what you think. Feedback is super important. But for now, thank you for watching, and see you next time.